What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Texas Honda Channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So in a previous video on my other YouTube channel, the More Motorsports channel, I actually made a front lip kit out of garden edging that cost $27 from Home Depot, painted it black, and screwed it up there, and it looks really nice. So I took the wood screws out and actually put some rivets in it, and it looks a lot better with the rivets, and it's super sturdy. But now that I've got the front, I went ahead and made a side skirt, and it looks awesome. So here's how I did that. The way I mounted it, I actually just drilled a hole. Then I went ahead and used the riv nut tool that Sinformant sent to my P.O. box. Thanks again, Sinformant, for that. After that, I went ahead and got some L brackets from Walmart. They're super cheap. Basically just bolted the L bracket in 3 different spots. And I installed it with the nuts, bolts, and washers right here. And that is what it looks like. It looks so good, and it's super sturdy. I think it gives it a real nice look. Now, that doesn't do anything really for performance for me, since it's not gonna be a full aero car, but I do like how it looks, and it was a super cheap mod. I already had the garden edging from doing the front lip, so I just went ahead and did the side. Yeah, I had to spend like 10 bucks to get the hardware and the L bracket, but whoop-de-doo. $10 plus 27, so $37, and I got a nice looking setup. Now you're probably wondering what that flame picture was. I was having some fun heating up the garage, and I decided I think it'd be really cool to put the torch under here and get a ricer picture of Fast and the Furious Day stuff. Don't worry, I didn't get it close enough to where it melt the bumper. I just wanted it to look cool. And I was warming the garage up. Obviously the door, I had it on very low setting, and the heat was just, it warmed up in here real quick. So I just have the propane over here hidden. But yeah, I used a weed burner. Let me pull it out so you can see. I actually used this right here to warm the garage up. I just set it on a jack stand, like so. Make sure it's not pointing towards anything. And then I will light it, and I'll put it on low setting, and it gets nice and hot in here. I also have the heat from the house blowing in, but yeah, this just warms it up a lot faster. But yeah, if you guys didn't see on Instagram, I'm actually working out again, so trying to get big again. I'm tired of being small. I used to be almost 200 pounds and had very little body fat. It was pretty crazy, but I've lost a lot of weight just by doing work and stop working out. So now I'm gonna get back on the bench and start working out some more, and so far so good. But yeah, the car's making some progress. It's looking really good. It's driving phenomenally. I don't know if you've seen the last video where I got the tires and everything on. This thing rides so incredible now. I'm super happy with it, and I can't get over it. I love having that new windshield as well. So this will be going on, hopefully, the next video. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. But I'm going to put the turbo and everything in. Like I said, I do not have the intercooler, but we're going to mock everything up, get the oil hole drilled, and then a subscriber and friend has a welding business called Slam & Weldin', and he's going to be actually welding the oil bung up, since my welds are pretty much boogers, and I've practiced, I suck at it. And it could be because I'm using a cheap Harbor Freight, and I don't want to spend a lot of money for something I'm barely going to use. So yeah, that's why I'm just going to have him do it. He's a subscriber and a friend, so he's going to weld that up. He'll come over here and weld it, and definitely make a video of it. But I did want to show you my rice mod. Now, the reason people call it rice is because it's a race-inspired cosmetic enhancement. What that means is R-I-C-E. Basically making the car fast, but it's not fast. This car definitely is not fast right now, but we're about to change that. So it might trick people. They'll probably be like, oh, that car's probably all looks. It's not very fast, but it will be quick, for sure. So I'm really excited for that. Still looking for an S300 that isn't expensive. I have never paid over $400 for a Honda, a used one, of course, not brand new. And I've even sold some for $350. And I just need a Honda S300 with it all assembled, ready to go. And I'm trying to find that. And I don't have enough money to buy the $800 Honda ECU combo, where it's all brand new. That's why I'm going this route. But yeah, if you guys know anything, let me know on Instagram, instagram.com/Texas Honda Channel. But yeah, just wanted to show you that pretty inexpensive little mod we did and how the car is turning out. I'm going to be getting some pictures with my buddy Matt's car. We finished up some stuff on his car, made it a little cleaner, a little nicer. So we're going to go get some pictures, and yeah. But yeah, definitely stuff coming to the channel. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload. And stay tuned because we're going to be putting this bad boy in, hopefully, next video. So I'm going to go ahead and get off here. Just wanted to give you an update. So see you guys in the next one. As I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.